Yeah, most of that rain is in the southern third of the state for today. Most of us will remain, I can't say necessarily dry because we're dealing with all of that humidity in the atmosphere. As a result, we could spark a spotty sprinkle, but overall, rain not the big issue in the forecast for us today. I want to show you this slight risk map. We're talking about the risk for severe weather, and you see right smack dab in the middle of the country, the moderate risk through Omaha for severe weather there. So as that severe weather strikes there, we're going to keep our eye on it because that's what's moving our way. As you take a look to the west of us right now, it's quiet, but those storms will begin to develop by the late afternoon and evening hours. For us, we're dealing with some cloud cover already decreasing over the area, and that's why we'll work in that sunshine, so that cloud cover slowly moving out for us. So it will continue to do so. Let's take a look at what you can expect today. Another 80-degree day. We're warm, we're muggy, we're partly cloudy as well as we work in that sunshine that we're talking of here. That moisture already decreasing. As you take a look at the radar here, TrueView radar quiet for today, but tomorrow quite an active weather pattern will give TrueView a bit of a workout for you. We've been watching this lone spot shower that's moving into the Fort Wayne area out of Columbia. Now it is actually decreasing in moisture content. As a result, no longer seeing any lightning from the system. It's just good old-fashioned rain at this point. You can see the line here of where the cloud cover is and where it isn't. Now this cloud cover is slowly decreasing as we talked about, and we'll work in some sunshine with this, but our next system will start to bring us those clouds once again in the late evening hours. So another cloudy night, and overnight I think we'll start getting in on some of those spotty showers and storms. Here's our Weather Now camera on top of the station here at RTV6, 67 degrees, humidity 100%. That means the atmosphere completely saturated. That's why we're seeing a little patchy fog out there, and that's why it feels quite muggy to you. The southwest wind at around 9 miles per hour, and we'll continue to see light to moderate winds with, of course, the possibility of all of that mugginess sticking around throughout the afternoon hours. As you can see, temperatures at 77 by the noon hour. 81 by 3 p.m. Overall high today at 83, still above the seasonal average, but also seeing temperatures that are a little warm and uncomfortable at this point. As you take a look at the cloud cover here on TrueCast, it decreases throughout the day as we talked about. Tomorrow, that storm system rolls in. I want to show you how it moves in. It moves in overnight. I think we're quiet through about the midnight hour or maybe a spotty sprinkle, and then we start to see this system kind of develop and moves in, first bringing a little rain, and then the thunderstorms start to roll in. The possibility of severe weather, major threats being, of course, hail, wind, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado. You can see it kind of brings rain throughout the day, kind of a soaker, this system, as it moves in. So enjoy the dry 83 for today, because tomorrow we have the changes in the forecast, and Thursday, still a little cloud cover sticking around. Slight risk for severe weather for areas from Lafayette south throughout the state.